Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy or just want to keep your number private, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. Launch the Telegram app on your phone. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. This is where you can control who sees your phone number and other personal information. Under the phone number section, tap on Who can see my phone number. You'll see three options: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. Choose My Contacts or Nobody to hide your number from strangers or specific groups. Scroll down to Who can find me by number and set it to My Contacts or Nobody to prevent people from finding you by your phone number. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden your phone number on Telegram. This is a great way to protect your privacy and control who can contact you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Got any other Telegram privacy tips you'd like to learn? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.